you that I saw your boyfriend walking down the street. He was standing all shaky, hands all sweaty, and he could hardly speak. I might as well take a minute or two to put you onto some game. You got a boy like him, a man like me, and that's just not the same. And never mind when you make a mess, what you need is a sweet caress. Everybody wanna talk too much, but what you need is a special touch. Ooh girl, wouldn't that feel right? A little dinner with a candlelight. And really when it comes down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, oh, oh. The type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, oh, oh. The type that makes me feel old. Let me tell you that I saw your boyfriend walking down the road. He was standing all shook, couldn't even look, and I was extra cold. I might as well take a minute or two to talk about the perks, cause he can't compete with a man like me, and that's just how it works. Look, this comes as no surprise. What you need is an older guy with a little bit of life experience, the right clothes and the right appearance. Ooh girl, wouldn't that feel nice? Hot dinner with a candlelight. And really when it gets down to it, pick a man that's down to fight. I'll give you bona fide loving. Oh, oh, oh. The type that makes me feel old. I'll give you bona fide loving.